This is Siddhant. In our previous classes, we discussed about Mendel of inheritance, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, laws of Mendel, and some non-Mendelian inheritance. Today, we are going to learn another fascinating type of non-Mendelian inheritance called polygenic inheritance. The word poly means many and genic means genes. So, polygenic inheritance simply means a single trait is controlled by multiple genes instead of just one gene. Unlike Mendelian inheritance, where one gene determines a characteristic, in polygenic inheritance, many genes work together, and each gene contributes to a small additive effect. The combined effect of all these genes determine the final phenotype. One of the best examples of polygenic inheritance is human skin color. Let us understand how this works. Suppose there are three pair of genes, capital A, capital B, and capital C. The dominant alleles, that is capital A, capital B, and capital C, contribute to the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for darker skin. On the other hand, recessive alleles like small a, small b, and small c contribute to little or no pigment. So, each dominant allele adds a small amount of pigment, therefore, greater the number of dominant alleles, the darker the skin color. For example, a person with genotype capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C has 6 dominant alleles. So they have darkest skin color, and a person with small a, small b, small c has no dominant allele, so resulting in lightest skin color. People with combinations like capital A, capital B, capital C give intermediate skin color. This is why human skin color does not fall just into two categories, it shows variations from shades of dark to shades of light. And we observe generally bell-shaped normal distribution curve for the polygenic inheritance. Human skin color is not the only example. We can see human height, human eye color, human body weight, and intelligence, where it shows similar type of pattern. One more important point to remember is that environmental factors also influence polygenic traits. For example, sunlight exposure can increase melanin production, making the skin appear darker. So, both genes and environment plays important roles. Let's quickly revise the key points. Polygenic inheritance involves multiple genes controlling a single trait, and more dominant alleles result in greater expression of the trait, and each dominant allele distributes a small additive effect, and it produces continuous variation, and human skin color is the classical example. Thank you.